Hi, this is Bon for Tasty Fairy 101, and today it's creamy Tuscan chicken. Okay, first thing we're going to need to do is take care of our chicken, so let's beat a couple of eggs. Okay, now for our second bowl, we'll add our spices. We'll just put that right in there. And add a little flour to that. Give it a little mix. Make sure all those spices in the flour is joined together. And happiness, food happiness. Okay, that's starting to look pretty good and smells really good. Love those spices. All right, so we'll take the chicken. We'll put it in the egg to our flour and seasoning mix, and then put it on the plate and get it ready for the skillet. And here we go. First little piece right there. Roll him around and put him in the flour. Set that bad boy aside and repeat. Now you can use chicken breast if you want. Today I'm using chicken thighs. I think chicken thighs in this kind of a recipe will create a better flavor than chicken breast will. So that's why we're doing chicken thighs today. Skinless, boneless chicken thighs. All right, now we add our chicken into the frying pan. So what we'll do is take a couple of ounces of extra virgin olive oil. We'll just put it in our pan there. That looks like a couple of tablespoons, and we'll start adding our chicken. Okay, now that our chicken's looking pretty good, it's more than halfway done, I'm going to transfer the chicken into the oven while we make the sauce. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, 400, and we'll finish off the sauce and I'll be right back. Okay, let's start off by putting some more olive oil in our pan, just right on top of all that goodness that you have right in there. All right, get that nice coated. And let's toss in some onions. Whoops, one got away from me. There we go. Put that back in there. And let's saute those bad boys for a couple of minutes. Let's add minced garlic. About 2 cloves should do it. 3 or 4, however many you want. If you like garlic, add some more garlic. All right. All that goodness down at the bottom of the pan. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love this. Looks about right. Let's add some oregano and paprika. A little more. Let's get that mixed in there. Whoops, onion's trying to escape again. Whoop, out. Get back in there. And some red bell pepper. Starting to come together now. Just cook that for a minute or two. Real. Get some of that tomato paste in there. Let's add some white wine. I'm using some French Pinot Grigio, just because I like French Pinot Grigio. Don't use any wine that you wouldn't drink. Don't recommend doing that. All right, got that in there. Let's get our chicken stock in there. Now we can start scraping that goodness off the bottom. Let me get a oven mitt here, because I know this pan's getting a little hot, but I want to scrape that bottom off just so it doesn't get so burnt. Let's add our cream. heavy cream. Oh yeah. I guess that's why they call it creamy Tuscan chicken. Get that all mixed in. Get that getting heated back up a little bit, then we'll add some Parmesan cheese. Because you can't have a creamy Tuscan chicken without Parmesan cheese. And a lot of it. Okay, here comes the Parmesan cheese. Just add that right in there. Oh that goodness. It'll thicken that sauce up just a little bit for you. Now it's time to add the chicken back into it. Let's add our spinach. That's about 3 cups smashed in there. I'm gonna get that all out of there. Come on, there we go. Beautiful. And we'll just cook that till it's slightly wilted, and then it's ready to enjoy. Now let me get another utensil here. Here we go. I'd like to thank Rebecca and Bill for these beautiful utensils that I'm using today. They were my Christmas gift a couple of months ago. Sent all the way from Oregon. A lovely couple. Well, that's the creamy Tuscan chicken. We're going to enjoy it right now, and I hope you enjoy this recipe and find it just as tasty as we're going to find it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and any comments, leave them right below. Thank you very much, and ciao.